A balanced breakfast typically includes protein, fiber, and a range of nutrients. If you're looking for a healthy morning meal, try easy options like eggs, whole wheat toast with toppings, nuts, and green tea. Breakfast is a great way to start your day. A nutritious breakfast can provide long-lasting energy and keep you full for hours. A good breakfast is typically high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. Some commercial breakfast foods can be high in sugar, refined carbs, and additives. Instead, why not try some nutrient-dense fresh options? Here are 12 of the best foods and drinks to enjoy in the morning. Eggs. Eggs make a simple, nutritious breakfast choice. They provide protein, which is essential for muscle growth and maintenance. It can also keep you feeling fully trusted source. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great option for a quick breakfast. It's made by straining whey and other liquid from milk curds, which produces trusted source, a creamy product higher in protein than regular yogurt. It's also lower in calories than many other protein sources. A 1 cup, 245-gram serving of trusted source provides 25 grams of protein but only 149 calories. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, a molecule that promotes trusted source alertness, improves mood, and increases physical and mental performance. It also may contain trusted source, a range of polyphenols and compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies trusted source suggests that it's safe for most adults to drink up to 3 cups, 710 milliliters, of coffee per day, or up to 400 milligrams of caffeine. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is made from rolled or steel-cut oats. It contains a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which can help lower trusted source cholesterol and glucose levels, and also has antioxidant and probiotic properties. Because of the way the body processes oats, they will also leave you feeling full. Trusted source for longer, reducing the temptation to snack mid-morning. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of fiber. 1 ounce, 28 grams, trusted source of dried chia seeds provides close to 10 g of fiber. This fiber is also soluble, which means it absorbs water and increases the volume of food moving through your digestive tract, making you feel fuller. Trusted source for longer. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are delicious and packed with antioxidants. They provide a sweet treat that tends to be trusted source, high in fiber and low in calories. Berries also offer antioxidants called anthocyanins, which provide the characteristic blue, purple, and red colors of berries. A diet high in anthocyanins may help protect trusted source against inflammation, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is high in trusted source fiber and complex carbs. These digest slowly, help you feel full for longer, and are less likely to raise blood sugar levels than breads or pastries made with white flour. Nuts. Nuts of all types provide a source of magnesium, potassium, heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, and antioxidants. Their protein, fat, and fiber content also means they can promote fullness and may help in weight management. Green tea. Green tea is a soothing drink to get you going in the morning. It contains caffeine, but only about half the amount in coffee. It also contains L-theanine, a compound that promotes a calming effect and may reduce the jitters linked to caffeine intake. It may also improve mood and reduce source anxiety. Protein shakes or smoothies. Smoothies are another great breakfast option. Blend water, dairy, or non-dairy milk with nuts, bananas, frozen berries, or other fruits or vegetables for a tasty start to the day. Adding protein powder can boost the protein content. This smoothie protein shake combination can promote fullness and reduce hunger while providing a tasty and nutritionally balanced breakfast. A nutritious breakfast can give you a good start to the day and may help prevent snacking and weight gain. The best choices to fill you up and boost your overall health will be high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Many nutritious, healthy foods and drinks are also easy to prepare in the morning, for instance, whole grain toast, eggs, green tea, coffee, and protein shakes. If you don't have time for breakfast, some options, such as fruit, you can eat on the go,